In this video, we're going to be converting between the units of area I have on the board: kilometres squared, metres squared, centimetres squared, and millimetres squared. As you can see here, I have a rough diagram of a 1 centimetre squared area, 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. And I've split up the lengths of my 1 centimetre into 10 millimetres. This is 10 millimetres by 10 millimetres. As you can see, 1 centimetre squared is exactly the same as 100 millimetres squared. Now, using this information, if I'm going from 1 centimetre squared to millimetres squared, I'm multiplying by 10 squared, or by 100. As you can see here as well, to go from metres squared to centimetres squared, well, if I was going from metres to centimetres, I'll be multiplying by 100. When I'm looking at this area, I'm looking at multiplying by 100 squared. Kilometres to metres squared, well, kilometres to metres, I'd be multiplying by 1,000. Instead of multiplying by 1,000, I shall be multiplying by 1,000 squared. Okay, let's have a look at a few examples. I have 4.6 metres squared, and I want to work that out in centimetres squared. Well, 4.6 metres squared, I need to multiply it by 100 squared to get the number of centimetres squared. So, 4.6 multiplied by 100 squared, and I'm going to use my calculator for this. Works out to be 46,000 centimetres squared. Okay, here's 5.8 kilometres squared, and I want to work again that out in centimetres squared. So, to go from kilometres squared to centimetres squared, I'm doing two jumps. I'm multiplying by 1,000 squared, then I need to multiply by 100 squared. So I'm going to be doing 5.8 multiplied by 1,000 squared, and then multiplied by 100 squared. And my answer will be in centimetres squared. I'm going to do this on my calculator. 5.8 times 1,000 squared multiplied again by 100 squared. And my answer is going to be in standard form. 5.8 times 10 to the power of 10. And always remember the units, centimetres squared.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.